Today, we are gonna fix Skype JavaScript error occurred in the main process problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. First, we open Microsoft Store and check if Skype is up to date. If you need to update Skype, update it. The first solution is to delete Skype's data. To do this, we go to the search section and open Run. Then, we type %local app data % into the search bar and click OK. The file we need to find is the packages file. Once we find this file, we scroll down and find the Microsoft Skype file. After doing this, we right click on it and delete it. There is no harm in deleting this file. We will just need to sign in to Skype again. If Skype is running in the background, you may receive a notification like this. We need to close Skype to continue. After closing Skype, we click Try again. We have deleted Skype's data. This was the first solution. If this solution did not work for you, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to download Microsoft Visual C++. Visual C++ makes the programs on our computer run better. If the problem is related to Visual C++, downloading this program may solve the problem. To download Visual C++, we open Microsoft website. I will put the link to the site in the description. You can open the site from there. After opening the site, we scroll down and download Visual C++. If our computer is 64-bit, we need to download x64. We have downloaded the setup file. Now, we will proceed to the installation process. We tick I agree to the license terms and conditions and click install. After the installation process is complete, you need to restart your computer. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. The third solution is to repair and reset Skype. To do this, we right click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Then we click on Apps and then Installed Apps. We scroll down and find Skype. After doing this, we click on the three dots and click on Advanced Options. We scroll down and click on Repair. After doing that, we click on Reset. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.